Hello students, in the last video we have discussed magnetic field in a straight conductor. What is the direction of magnetic field in a straight conductor? How to determine the direction of magnetic field in a straight conductor? All these points we have already discussed in the last video. Means look at here, if we have a straight conductor like this, then the direction of current assume like this. By applying the right hand thumb rule, we will get the direction of magnetic field. So let us try to apply the magnetic field. Right hand thumb rule for magnetic field. Thumb is in the direction of current, then curl fingers are in the direction of magnetic field. So your magnetic field would be like this, isn't it? This is a magnetic field direction. This is for a straight conductor. But today's topic is, what would be the direction of magnetic field if your conductor is not straight? It is in the form of loop. So look at here. Your conductor is in the form of loop, means a circular loop. We will draw a loop. Here we have a loop. Suppose it is connected to a battery, whereas this end is a positive and the upper end is negative. Then you know that the direction of current is positive say negative, so it will flow like this, and here is like this. Now we have to think about what would be the direction of magnetic field. As this is a conductor, around this conductor everywhere the magnetic field is generated. If you take a compass near the loop, that compass gets deflected, means the current is there in the conductor whenever a magnetic field is generated. Now to get the direction of magnetic field, we will consider a small part of the conductor. Suppose this here to here, we have assumed a little part of the conductor. Whenever the part is small, it works like a straight conductor, isn't it? So we can compare it with this. And the magnetic field is also like this. So we will have the direction like these loops over here. And what would be the direction? Look at here, apply right hand thumb rule. So thumb is this side, so direction would be like this. So inside, look at here, and these are the closed curve. Similarly, here the direction is opposite to that of upper, so here are also circular loops. Concentric circle near the conductor, and the direction upward means outside here, and anyhow at the center it is straight, so here we will have curve, and for afterward this forms a circular loop. You can connect like this. Here symmetric opposite circular loops, but overall the direction is like this. So inside the loop inward and outside the loop outward. So like this we got the direction of magnetic field in a current carrying circular loop. To understand in a better way, you can see animated videos related to this. Always think about the right hand thumb rule whenever you want to get the direction of magnetic field. So here inside the loop it is inward, and behind the loop it is outward. Means from a ring, if you consider a ring, it is like from one end works as a south pole and another end works as a north pole. As we have discussed in a straight bar magnet, what we have discussed, if magnet is like this, north and south, so what we have discussed in that case, the direction outside the magnet is from north to south, but inside is south to north. So inside the loop, direction is from south to north. So this end works as a south pole and this end works as a north pole. A single loop gets polarized whenever current flows through it. Means it may work as like a bar magnet. In the next video, we will discuss what will happen if instead of one loop, if there are n number of loops, whether it works like a bar magnet or not. But right now, at present, here is a one end of the loop is a south and the other end is a north.